Good morning and welcome to Occam's Racers Gardening, Cooking, and Canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. So if you're new, please give us a like, share, subscribe, all that jazz. If you're on Rumble, please follow. We are here every day for the year of 2026, just like we did last year for 2025. We will just come out every day and give you an update on the growth of the garden. And in here we have some turnips in the compost pile. We'll see if they grow. Had no place really to put them. My goodness, again, the mosquitoes out. A lot of moisture. It's very good. A lot of leafy cover for them to hang on to and live. Oh my goodness, I really need to get these cages over the tomato plants. They are just exploding. Look at the growth. Look at this. Nice growth though. Very healthy looking plants. Got 4 tomato plants, all different. Hey, look at this. They're doing pretty good too. These are the onion shoots, salads and such. And our pepper plants, the newer ones obviously doing okay. Here's our 4th tomato plant. And the frost damaged pepper plant trying to come back like the others. This one here, and this poor little fella here, to the point where I just threw another plant in the same pot. And growing some more. Of course, we haven't had that much warmth. Really, I mean, in the last week is the only time where the temperatures have gotten really nice enough to really stimulate some good plant growth. So, is our sunflower going up? Nope. All right. Let's walk down to the potato patch. Get away from those mosquitoes. And more potatoes coming out. Just all of them doing just fine. Except for the part where I need to start making my non-chemical sprays to keep the bugs at bay. I'm sure if I came out here and sprayed the bushes with my mild soapy solution, a lot of these mosquitoes would be down. But I've been so busy yesterday. And look at this. Look at this stupid giant weed here. Yeah, I gotta get in here. I was so busy yesterday with the satellite mount. My Starlink is attached to the deck, and the deck was moving in the wind, and with the disc vibrating like that, it was having upload issues during live streams, getting all choppy. So I had to get this done. And of course, a couple-hour job turned into a full-day job with 5 trips to the hardware store, because nothing ever goes according to plan. That's okay. I'm very grateful now that it's actually done. And beans are still barely out of the leaf. Ow, mosquito. And just getting attacked and eaten. How's our big guy doing? Hey, see, look at that. Munch, munch, munch. Our other potato patch is doing really well. Look at those, eh? Excellent. I believe these are russets. Well, looks like the kale's coming up. You're not kale. There you go. And this is supposed to be lettuce. Oh, look. Is that? It's not a radish. That's a weed. Is that a weed? Is that a radish? Next to radish. Yeah, it's a radish. Look at the leaves. I almost thought it was a weed. Almost pulled it out. That's a weed. Again, now that the disc is up, which I needed to get up because it's Friday and it's Blazing Cat Fur Fridays at 9 o'clock. So I needed connectivity. Of course, I had to suspend my other shows for a couple of days to get this work done. I hope to get more done, but now I have to do that this weekend. It's good. It's good to be busy and have things to do. Oh boy. I don't know what you are, what you're not. A lot is. Well, this is a squash and cucumber. And still waiting for more to come up. Once in a while, critters get in there, digging holes. Just so many weeds. All right, let's go over here. Look at the squash box. Well, I guess technically zucchini is squash, but we know it's not that kind of zucchini. And they're all still coming up. I don't see any major damage or pestilence activity. Of course, it's quite early in the growing season. I don't expect any real bug critter activity to start on the squashes until we start getting nice massive squash leaves and they're giving off their squash scent. Next thing you know, the squash bugs show up. And I'm out here every day, twice a day, checking each leaf over for squash bugs, eggs, because they're so insidious. Did pretty good last year. I think I almost got every single squash bug. When I say almost, I only lost a couple of leaves. Because usually they're, once those eggs hatch, boy, are they ever hungry. All right, let's go to the front and have a look. And here we have up the chickpeas, lamb's breath, our dead lavender bush, live lavender bush, and the front bed. So, any activity? No? Supposed to get some more rain today. Chance of showers. Enough. Oh, look. Yes, I think we will treat the front wall there with some. Sorry, the jiggly there. Slapped a mosquito. I think we'll protect the front wall here with the boiling water at the end of the clip. And we still only see the 2 pumpkins so far. If you can't see it, there she is right there. And there's the other one. Let's look over here. Sunflower's doing good. All our morning glories. Let's go over here and look at the bird shit berry bush. And our other morning glories, which I seem to be remembering to water. And our berries will be coming soon. We have our flowers. Focus. Come on, focus. Usually I don't have a problem focusing like this. What's going on? Focus, focus, focus. We're not focusing. Sorry. Maybe if I brought my hand in. You gonna focus on my hand? Focus. Weirdest thing. Okay, no focusing on the on the fruits this morning for some reason. Well, thank you all for coming out and having a look at today's growth on the garden. Appreciate all of you who come and watch. We know what the viewer count is. It's very low. But then again, there's not much to show in terms of growth. So we will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Jummy jum. 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 Jump, jump.
Oui, monsieur, bonjour, coquette. Oh, croissant et cheveux corvette. Maurice Chevalier, Eiffel Tower. Oh oui, Marie Baguette, bonsoir. French toast! French toast! French toast!